Premier Electrosystems, precision in testing, excellence in automation.
Hello, welcome to Premier's YouTube channel. Here we are demonstrating the Premier's Iron Drop Tester. This is the counter and the RPM meter. This is the VAW meter. Check the voltage, current and voltage of the unit under test. This is the safety MCB. This is the test on button. This knob is used to vary the speed. This is used to reset once the test is over, and this is the test over indication. As an example, you can set the count. That is the number of drops you want over here. As an example, we'll set it to 50. Keep the time as 0. So this fixture is given where you can load the iron under test. You can mount the iron as per your requirement. The sole plate should be resting on the iron plate. This is the iron plate, which is 15 mm thick as per the standard. To start the test, press the test on button. You can see that the RPM over here is 30 RPM. Per the standard, we can vary the RPM, keep it at 20. You can connect the iron over here to apply the test voltage. There is provision given to connect the dimmer. So you can connect a dimmer and set the test voltage. Once the test is over, you will get this test over indication. To switch off the test, switch off the test and press the reset button. Your count goes back to 0. So this is the method of testing the iron for the iron drop test. Thank you.
For more insights on testing and measuring instruments, follow us on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. For inquiries, contact us below.